Here's a pair of the T21 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. All right, you want to do a factory reset, you have like connecting or pairing problems, or one side's not working, or it keeps disconnecting, and so on. Anyway, factory reset's very simple here. Okay, all you got to do is open up the case, take out the buds, and then we're going to tap it 5 times on both buds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab it right here. The touch sensor is right here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we should get like a red blinking light. Okay, it didn't work. Let me do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look. Okay, it's actually a solid red light. Okay, and then from here, what we want to do is just go ahead and put it back in the case now. And we're going to close it. And now we're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to go ahead and take it out. And it should automatically go into pairing mode, okay? Now, if the factory reset is done and now it's back into pairing mode, if it's blinking red, blue on one of the earbuds, it means that these are in pairing mode, okay? Now, the thing is, before I did the factory reset, it was paired to my iPhone, okay? So I just factory reset it. If I want to pair back to the same iPhone, I have to go into settings, go into my Bluetooth, and then like I said, I was paired before, so if I want to connect or pair it back to this phone here, I have to click on the Bluetooth settings, and I have to delete it off the pairing list or remove it or forget this device for an iPhone. Okay, now I can connect back here. Let me turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on. It's still in pairing mode, and now I can connect back to the same iPhone, T21 right there. Pretty simple.